Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria. So in yesterday's video we have learned how to blend the oil pastel, how to color it and get the shades, and we have tried using different methods. Okay, today we'll just do the combination of two colors. Okay, so I'll just take medium yellow, like here already we have, this is number 256, and we'll take orange. Let us take orange. This is orange and it is 283. Okay, so we'll just try to do the blending of these two colors. We'll just learn to blend these two colors now. So let me try here itself. So for here I'll just blend with, first I'll be doing the coloring with the orange in this way. So here I'm doing it really dark, and slowly I'm just reducing the pressure and doing the coloring, and the way it is coming down I'm even making it light. So you can see this, here it is completely dark and here it is a little bit medium, and the way I'm coming down I'm just reducing my pressure and I'm just doing it very lightly. Now let us go with the medium yellow. So before, as I said, if at all you're working for the first time, it's okay. If not, just try to clean the oil pastel so that will not have any other pigment on it. And now when we are starting with orange, blending with yellow, try to do it from this medium part where we have reduced our pressure. From there you start doing it and slowly get it down. Here we can do a little bit dark. Slowly reduce the pressure here and very slowly come down in this way. You can just run once again. If at all you feel the pigment is not, or the coloring is not done properly, you can just go this in this way. And now let us see the blending part. So here I'll be using the same earbud which I have used yesterday, because it's already having yellow color. We'll just try to see if at all we can do it with this or not, because yesterday I told you all don't use the same earbud, but this is having the cotton, I'm using it. So I'm just starting it from the lighter shade. Whenever you are blending the colors, always try to blend from the lighter shades. So just blending this without having any white spots in between the blending part. So I'm just landing the total earbud and keeping my finger on that and then blending it so that you can get the lighter shade also here. And now slowly I'm just going up and blending all the colors in this way. So you can just see the color is blending, the yellow and orange are also blending together. In this way, and now slowly entering into the orange this way. Only one point what we have to keep in mind is we should not have any white spots when we are blending the color. That is the main motto, and at the same time we shouldn't remove the total pigment of the color. Sometimes what will happen is, I'll just show you. So we are just getting it down, just blending this part and coming it down and make it this. So you can see the color here. We feel this color is like we have a line over here, so we don't want that line to be seen. So you can just run once again the earbud and start blending. And now here you can do this in circle motion, in circular, so that will be completely blended. Now you can see the line is vanished and the blending is perfect. Here also you can just do the same way. So this is what we wanted. Okay, but sometimes what happens is when we blend the color, let me show you here. I have done this very dark and again coming down, making it light and even more light. Okay, and now I'm taking my medium yellow and just coloring it and doing it on the light medium and just doing it on the white paper too, so that we'll have the actual shade of this color. Okay, sometimes what we do is we tend to do it very hard and see that total. I'm taking now a tissue paper and blending this. We'll do it in such a hard way that the pigment is removed completely in this way. Even though here the blending is done properly, perfectly, but we don't want the pigment to be removed in some cases. We do it in such a hard way that the total pigment is removed. very hard, so we don't want this to be done. In some cases this is applicable, but not in every case. So we want this pigment to be there so that we can see the brightness. You can just see this. We don't have any brightness over here, but we have this orange brightness over here. So we need to do in this way. And when, if at all, you're working on layers, then we need this type of blending. So just keep in point where we are working in layers and where we are doing in this way. Okay, for today's class, I think you can practice this with n number of shades. You can even practice this so with work with lot of shades, and you will know the perfect shades, what is the middle color you're going to get. Enjoy the coloring part, and if you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, please give a like and do keep sharing the video. Thank you. That would be helpful for me. Thank you so much. Enjoy drawing. Bye bye. Take care.